What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope y'all having a great day. It is a wonderfully nice day out today in Tennessee, and the GoPro camera's been dirty this whole time I've been filming. Today's going to be geared towards something a little bit different. As you guys saw from the little intro, we got the most pathetic cold start on the planet with the old V6 Canyon. Hopefully we can fix that in the future in Colorado. We are moving in less than 3 weeks. So now today we're just going to throw a bunch of shit in the back of the old Canyon, and we're going to take it down to Goodwill, go grab some lunch, probably take this bad boy through the car wash or something, because it is disgusting. Maybe detail the inside before we leave. Other than that, we're going to be cleaning out a lot of stuff in the garage over the next week, getting the Corvette somewhat put back together because it is going to James's house. It'll be a lot cheaper to take the car, drop it off at a friend's house, and wait a month, fly back for 200 bucks, 150 bucks from Denver to Nashville, have them pick me up, or just have, you know, somebody drop the car off there at the airport and I'll just drive it straight back. Most likely I'll end up staying the night here or something like that in Clarksville, but either way, it would cost me $1,600 and no effort to ship the Corvette and the shit box up there. We are changing that up a little bit as of now. We're going to be driving the Challenger. I don't even know if y'all can see that. We're going to be driving the Challenger, driving this with a U-Haul trailer, and driving this shit box up there all the way to Colorado Springs area. The Corvette, like I said, is going to be staying here because it was just going to be cheaper to do it. It's going to cost me like maybe $600 to do all this stuff, drive it round trip. They're all very much capable of driving all the way there. Nothing wrong with the cars, so. But other than that, that's kind of an update on the moving situation. Now, the garage cleanup is probably going to be another video. We got to put a trailer hitch on the Canyon, which is going to be next week. Waiting on AutoZone to call me back. I ordered the parts yesterday for it, and a harness for the trailer lights. So we're going to be hauling a trailer with the Canyon. Dirty ass Canyon. So I guess we will do a quick little time lapse of us loading some free stuff in the back of the truck, and see y'all at the end of that. Holly? She looks crazy in the GoPro. Why are you staring at me? Yeah. This is your first YouTube video, Holly. I have to say, in the 6 years I've been here, never seen a train at this intersection.
Could've went the other way.
Could've went the other way. Well,
there's no train on the highway.
Yeah, it doesn't go across 101st Boulevard, does it?
But then we never would have seen this awesomeness.
I mean, it's not that fucking awesome. I gotta wait now. Smart. Two guys ruck marching on the other side of the train tracks. But we're still waiting. I'm gonna say that we sit here for probably 5 minutes. Oh shit. Guess I'm wrong. That's the end of the train. Hammer down. Hammer down, folks. Let's. Oh wait, it's still red. Oh wow, the light's after the train tracks.
Yas.
They're just rock marching. Look at them haircuts. Gotta be like 160th or something. That's our little airfield. Oh, dude, he's about to freaking take off too. Now, first thing you do,
Fucking send it.
Fucking pin it, bro. Blah, blah, blah. That's what it'll sound like. Hey, bro.
One single fucking
What are you talking about?
graveyard right there. Is one single fucking dead person. Or maybe 3.
Wow, that seemed like you really cared. It's like the worst intersection right here because they don't have a turn lane. So you technically have to get in like the middle. But I'm sure people have been hit here before. How's there gonna be 3 flagpoles, no flags? This is America. If you got a flagpole, you better be flying a flag. Alright, well, we made it back home. Move the Challenger around. I'm about to unload a bunch of crap out the back of this thing that we apparently couldn't even fucking give away, which is really stupid. And then we're going to wash the canyon since it's such a nice day. So we'll get a couple good like cinematic, like crazy clips of this thing. It's gonna be awesome. Alright guys, so we got the truck all washed up. She's looking a little better. She's still kind of drying pretty quick. Not too worried about water stain or something. It was just nice to get some of the road grime and shit off of this thing. You can see there's a few little scratches here and there. But the inside of this thing is absolutely disgusting. So, you can see right here on the floor. Oh man, I think we found a French fry. It's a fry. Yeah, we're just gonna clean up some of this stuff. It's a little scuffed up right here. We're gonna vacuum the crap out of it, get some of this dog hair out, get this shitty cover. You can see how dirty it is. We get this nasty cover out of here. I even cut it in half so we could have the baby seat down and this side up for the stroller. The front's pretty gross too, and all the little crevices right here is just nasty and just gross all around. Yeah, we're gonna vacuum it out and just clean everything up, make the truck look presentable. Just because it's a daily driver doesn't mean you just trash it, you know. Just saying, my shit box is nicer than most people's dailies, you know. Just saying. Now that everything is nice and wiped clean. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Just to, you know, let y'all know some of the products we use today. We just used some Turtle Wax Max Power Car Wash because on the truck it gets super dirty and we wash it maybe once a month, so it is what it is. But for smells, we use the Chemical Guys JDM Squash Scent, which we are currently out of. Gotta get some more. And the Detail Geek on YouTube, he uses this 303 detailer stuff. This is the exterior one. I'm gonna use it on the inside too. It's good for plastics, fiberglass, stuff like that. Which he really likes 303, so I figured I would try some of their stuff. I do like the fact that it goes on glossy, but it dries like a real matte finish, and it's just real smooth feeling. It's not sticky or extra slick like Armor All, and seems like a really good product, so I figured I'd try it out. We didn't really have a whole lot going on other than the Colorado stuff I was talking about earlier. Stay tuned for the trailer hitch install on the Canyon as we get ready to go to Colorado. We're probably gonna get an oil change on the Canyon as well before we go. I think we got another free one at the dealership. And the Challenger, pretty much just get washed, shit box. Oh man, it's gonna be a hell of a trip out there. We're gonna film the whole deal. Right now we're still kind of working on the garage, which I think will be the next video. The hitch is gonna be probably getting delivered next week sometime for the Canyon, so we'll get that put on to pretty much the first day that it's nice, or we'll just back her up into the garage right here to be able to do that, because we'd only need the back end in the garage really, so it doesn't matter. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's been a super nice day. I couldn't enjoy it more, but it's more fun making a video while we're just kind of screwing around anyways. Like, share, subscribe, guys. Hit the notifications, man. Hit the bell, hit the buttons, do all that stuff. Tell us if you enjoy it, tell us if you don't. Otherwise, we're just gonna keep making the same quality videos that we're doing right now. Because if I love it, it usually sucks. And if y'all love it, I usually hate it. So, that being said, again, hit the notifications, hit the like, hit the dislike, do whatever you gotta do to let us know what's going on. We will see you later.